What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here. Look, in this video, I'm going to tell you why I joined DIM, Daily Income Method. You know, when it first came out, it just came out last Friday. They did a beta test on it back in March, so they released it last Friday to the public after doing some beta testing on it. And as soon as I caught wind of this, you know, I made up my mind that I was going to get it simply because of three particular reasons that I decided that I wanted to get it, other than, you know, the income, the $200 that you can earn income. And I know that's what a lot of people, that's why a lot of people are joining, simply because of they can earn $200, you know, per day, or $200 per sale. But I joined it, one, for that reason, but that's not the number one reason. The number one reason I joined it is simply because it has some things in it that already pertain to what I'm doing. They already fit around what I'm doing, and I'm going to share that with you in this video right now. So let's go ahead on and get started. All right, so the number one reason that I joined this system is simply because it already has the Home Business Academy funnel builder in here that it is recommending, okay? And I'm a part of the Home Business Academy. And so I've been with the Home Business Academy for 6-7 years, longer now, or however long it's been. But I have been with them for a while now, and I'm going to continue to be with them. But the fact that they had the Home Business Academy in here and offering the funnel builder tool inside of here was a plus for me, because one, if someone has the Home Business Academy and they are looking for a program that they can use as a funded proposal to get somebody into the Home Business Academy, then they can do that by pushing the DIM system up front. And then when somebody joins you in DIM, or the Daily Income Method, then they can join you in the Home Business Academy by getting the funnel builder, okay? And once they get the funnel builder, if they go into the Home Business Academy, see all of the other things that they have in there, they may want to upgrade to the other products that the Home Business Academy have. And the fact that the Home Business Academy gives you a 100% free autoresponder, that's better than GetResponse and Aweber, that you pay for with just credit, is insane in itself. Okay, so you get that along with the funnel builder. So if you have any other autoresponder, you're welcome to keep using them, but you don't have to. So let's look at it. When you come over here to the lead capture, to the system setup, okay, this is where you're going to start. You're going to make sure you set up your system, and then we go to the lead capture. Over here we have the capture page. Now this is optional. You do not have to get the Home Business Academy. If you have a funnel builder that you love and you want to continue to use it, then continue to do so. Just know that when you bring people inside of DIM, okay, when you bring people inside of DIM, you have to let them know that you have an autoresponder that you recommending. Now, once they see what you're recommending compared to the price of what the Home Business Academy is recommending, plus they get an autoresponder, okay, you might be fighting a losing battle, but then again, if they trust you that much, they'll go with you, okay? So keep that in mind. So you get your lead capture page, approved by Mike and Paul, because Mike actually shows you how to set up the system. And like I said, now the other thing is, if someone joins you in DIM, okay, and they don't have a funnel builder, then they get the funnel builder from you, which now means you're earning a 80% residual income, which would be $20 per month in residual income. But what if they want to get the premium inside of the Home Business Academy? That's another $100 in residual income. What if they want to get the Let's Gold tool? That's another $8. That's $128 in residual income. So look at the possibility of that as well, okay? So just keep that in mind, okay? And on top of that, there's another product in there that can earn you a one-time sale inside of the Home Business Academy as well. So this is one of the main reasons why I joined, is simply because the Home Business Academy is already in here, and you do not have to get this. But if you're looking for a great funnel builder and an autoresponder to boot, then you want to get access to this system. Another reason why I joined is you get to add. If you come over to your profile, you can scroll down here you can add your other income stream that you have. The other system that I'm using, or academy, is OLSP. Okay, I'm able to add that in here as well. And another income is robocalls into cash, robocalls profits. Okay, so what happens if someone comes in, okay, and they join me in the Home Business Academy, and they get all of this, and then they come here and they look at my other income streams, which are these, and they join me in OLSP Academy, and they getting robocalls, they getting these spam calls. They, woo, how do I do that? Okay, now I'm getting income from this here as well. Okay, now that's not to say someone is going to do it, but there's a chance that they might do it. Okay, now that's the second reason why I joined, because you're able to add your own programs in here, and this system is going to be branded to you once you do it. That's the second reason I joined. The third reason I joined, and I didn't know that there was going, the third reason would have been the $200 commission, but the third reason now is the actual products. Okay, let me get over there to them. The products, the daily income method. Let's look at the products, the daily income method products. Okay, this is the product. This is a intense training that is done by a guy who actually uses TikTok, Instagram, YouTube to make millions. Okay, pay off his house and all of that. You're going to get the module 1 here, you're setting up your accounts. Module 2, endless prospects, all of this training right here. Module 3, YouTube videos. I'm always into learning stuff about YouTube videos. Module 4, getting leads, sales, and now what? Okay, all of that right there. Email, cost-effective funnel retargeting. Module 5 is recap, A to Z walkthrough. Endless prospect YouTube video example. And then bonus worksheets. You get access to 100 subject lines, top converting emails. You get that as well. And the daily income method master class, week 1, week 2, 3, all of this right here. So that got my attention. The 1,000 reels, 100,000 reels. If I come over here, if I click on that, I don't know if I have it open up. I do not. Yes, sir. No, I don't. So if I open up this right here, you're gonna have all of the reels right here. Now I know this don't look like 100,000 of them, but when you click on one of these and it opens up, okay, then you're going to see that there are a whole lot of reels already in here from different things that you can use. Luxury car reels, luxury clips. If I click on that one right there, let's see, luxury clips. Okay, and you just come here and click on something, and there you go. So you can do that, and then you can take this and put it in Canva or whatever editing tool that you like, and use that in your reels on Facebook, Instagram, and all of that right there. So you get access to that as well. Okay, let's get back to the training. Also, the Facebook viral hook script generator, not strip, viral hook script generator. What this does is it helps you create reels and videos. Okay, so you just come down through here and pick whatever you want. You know, the hook style, the angle you want to go at. You're gonna come down here and pick your trigger words. Okay, you're gonna come over here. You got some pain points. Real talking. I'm gonna show you how to use this in another video and things like that. So you got that right there, and here you can pick what you want them to do, your call to actions, and then you generate. Over here you can do a photo post. This does not create photos, but it gives you some information that you can do with a photo post on Facebook, like your text above, your post above, and then your image below. Okay, so it gives you that. So if I just come in here and say, what am I doing? I can say affiliate marketing. I'm going to use the mini story. I'm going to come over here. I can use real talk. Who am I talking to? I'm going to do people living paycheck to paycheck. What kind of interest? I'm going to do simple graphic. Then I'm going to come here, the topic I want to talk about. We're just going to do almost didn't post this. Going to come over here and just say access, leave that alone. I'm going to leave that right there, and I'm going to generate it. and let it do what it do. And after it generates the post, this is it right here. Okay, I almost didn't post this, and it just gives you the copy. You can copy this and paste it on your Facebook along with the image that goes along with it, and it gives you the text that you can put in your first comment below. That you do the first comment, you put that below and put your link down there as well, so you get access to that tool. So let's go back. Go back over here, the Facebook growth guide right here. I have that open. This is this right here, 22-page PDF that you're going to get access to as well. Come back over here. Let's go back. Also, the AI mastery class, if I open that up, this is AI mastery that shows you how to create images using AI. You got the AI selfie image. The module 2 is what you'll need. Module 3, AI modeling screen. Module 4, screen creation magic. Module 5, image editing and enhancement. And then access to the MIT training if you want to get access to it. If we come back, then you're going to get access to secret books of emails, which is right here. This is over 222 battle tested emails that you're going to get access to from Mac Mills as well. So you can take these emails and run with them and do whatever you want with them. You can change them up, you can re-add them, whatever you want to do with them, you're good to go. So that's the third reason why I joined, DIM, or daily income method. That is the third reason why. And then of course, the other reason why, and the final reason why, is the $200 commission that you can earn. Okay. And plus they have other pages here that you can use as well. But you think about it, $200 per sale. Okay. Instantly paid to you, that you can use as a funding proposal to fund your other business, the Home Business Academy, OSP Academy, whatever it is that you're doing. Okay, you can use this for the money that you're getting in from here. Okay, you can use it for traffic that you purchase somewhere else if you want to do that. So that's totally up to you. Okay, so that's why I joined DIM, the daily income method. And why should you join? If you're in HBA, that's a good reason for you to join. If you're looking to join HBA, you can use this as a funded proposal to promote HBA. Okay, or you can just use the HBA turnkey system, which is I love it. It works. Okay, but you also can use the add your other income streams in here if you have them. Instead of trying to promote HBA, this and this all separately, you have them under one roof. And then the training in here. If you're not going to go through the training and you're just trying to get the $200, you're probably going to struggle, because the training is here for a reason. That's to help you be successful, not only to just promote the daily income method, but to help you promote whatever it is that you are doing. So if you're ready to get started with DIM, click the link in the description below to get started. Subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment, pass this information on to somebody else. If you don't want it, hey, like it, but pass it on to somebody else and leave me a comment below. Click the link in the description. Thanks for stopping by. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.